Well, hey there, welcome to another episode of Wall Street The New Hustle. On this episode, we're going to talk about Visa versus MasterCard, which is the best card for you to use for you and your family needs. And I created my top 5 things to look for, which card suits you. Both cards are basically the same, but here goes some of the reasons or some of the things you need to look out for when you're choosing either one of the cards. So here are my reasonings for choosing which type of card you want. First, interest rates, payments, cost of price, purchase rates, and cash advance rates. Many cards varies when it comes to cash advances. Sometimes you may need a cash advance for an emergency, so this might be one of your deciding factors on which card you choose. Annual fees. Now, annual fees depend on features. Most cards will charge you a annual fee. Some will split up into payments. Some cards, when you get the card, they'll deduct the annual fee right away. So if that's important to you, that could be one of your deciding factors. Some cards offer interest-free days. So that's very important when you wanted to make certain purchase during certain times of the year. Rewards programs. Points per dollar spent. Type of rewards. Earn rate. Average amount spent on a card. So if you choose to spend $500 a month or $1,000 a month on a card, will determine your use of that card and which one will be best for you. Security services, 24/7 fraud monitoring services, daily transaction limits, and temporary lock on your card. Well, thank you for watching this episode. Like I said, I wanted to do a short video on this. I see a lot of the channels when they do versus whether it's a credit card or wherever it is, they'll give this long drawn history when they were founded, how much money they make, all this other stuff, and it really doesn't tell the member or the person outside the camera which choices they should make as far as choosing a card. My personal opinion, I had Visa because I know Visa is almost everywhere. I know MasterCard is not accepted at Costco's. Other than that, it's pretty much accepted anywhere. And you have to look at what your situation in life. If you're a younger person and you're just starting out, I would probably choose a Visa because you're in your career and you haven't got a house yet or a family and you're just starting. You're going to learn how to make mistakes. You're not going to be that financial, I would say, wizard, not that much stable in your financial situation. When we're young, we make mistakes with our money. But if you're an older person, you might be up to that MasterCard level where you are more stable in your career. You already own a house. You already have had a family or are in the mid part of your family. You're more financial minded at that part of your life. But either or, you go Visa or MasterCard is not a bad choice. I just choose Visa because I know it's well accepted all over the place. And I do go to Costco's a lot, and Costco does not accept MasterCard. But thank you for watching this episode. I hope you guys got some information off of it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next episode of Wall Street The New Hustle. On the next episode, we'll be talking about the bank one or the Visa card that the U.S. government has issued out for people that are going to get their stimulus payments on our next episode of Wall Street The New Hustle. You guys be safe. Wear your mask.